I'm asked all the time why I continue to live and work in a rural community. I'm able to work, shop, eat, entertain, and I was able to raise my family in Renfrew County. I'm Lynn Saunders, and I'm the Chief Financial Officer and the HR Manager here at Plaintree Systems in Arnprior. So at Plaintree Systems, we are a diversified company. We have different divisions. We have the aerospace manufacturing, the hydraulic cylinder manufacturing. We have a U.S. component, which is also aerospace, primarily military in Pennsylvania. And as well here, our largest sector is the triodetic business, which is a structural steel engineering, design, fabricating, and turnkey system. Here at Plaintree, we have many employees that have been here 10, 20, 30, 40, upwards years. Hiring at Plaintree, we've been most successful reaching out to new graduates from Algonquin College for our CAD program. Another has been word of mouth through our current employees, bringing in other associates that they've worked with over the years. At Plaintree, we've been very successful working with OnTrack here in Arnprior as well to attract new employees. The process for new employees, I believe, is very comfortable. We try to introduce all our employees to every single employee in the building. We're all on a first name basis. It'd be very hard to find anyone that doesn't know each other here. Because at Plaintree we are operating manufacturing equipment, safety is our top concern. So for new employees, they are put through a rigorous one-day session with our safety department, as well as a plant tour, so they understand the flow of the building, the flow of the companies, because we are a diversified company here. The skill sets at Plaintree consist, of course, the hard skills of machinists, engineering principles, manufacturing principles, financial principles. So we are also looking for those cliche skills of being able to work in a team, flexibility, having input into the processes. We're always fine-tuning our processes. We're looking for people who work safely. We want to send everybody home at the end of the day safely to their families. We are also looking for people who are looking to further their own careers. We have processes in place to assist with individuals receiving their machinist tickets, their welding tickets. We also participate in the professional engineering program. The culture at Plaintree, we're a rural manufacturing company. Opportunities here are incredible. The management, senior management, and the board is very open to moving people around where they can excel, and it's a perfect fit for both the employee and the company.